Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can change your store name on Shopify in 2022. So the store name you will see right here in the browser tab. Right now I have this one, Healthy Lifestyle. Alright, so we want to change this store name. So to do that, we're just gonna go to the back end of your Shopify store. We're gonna go to the left sidebar, go all the way down to this one, Settings. Just click on Settings. And now you will see store details. We have basic information, and here we can see the store name. We're just gonna go to the right and click on edit. All right. And now we see the store name right here. So now you can change your store name to whatever you like. All right. After that, just go up to the top right corner and click on this one, save. Let's go back and update the browser. And now we can see that we've changed the store name to My Business. But in your case, whatever you like. Okay everyone, so comment below if this worked out for you. Also check out my full Shopify playlist in the description below. Subscribe for more of these tutorials. Have an awesome day, take care and bye.